Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Akib and I am a freelance web developer. I was working on a very amazing project, so I thought I need to share with my YouTube family. So project was to create a WhatsApp chatbot that can communicate with our database in real time. So this is an example I have created for my client. So now this bot is communicating with our actual database. I will show you how, but let's see the example. So let's see. I'm asking, is there any discussion about cars in our database? So what will answer? You see here, it's saying that there is any discussion about cars in the database. So let's ask what is the discussion about car. So now it will respond accordingly. I will explain you how we can done this in step by step. Okay, you can see this is working perfect. So now let's go back on our code how it works. So first of all, you have to set up Facebook developer account and then create an app. I will ping my another video where you can do these all steps. I have done this previously. Okay, so right now in this video I will focus only on chatbot development. Okay, so what is the first step? First step is we will do this with a combination of Python and PHP. So we have used this Python library Langchain. Okay, this project involved three libraries: OpenAI, LangChain. I mean two libraries. So you can install these libraries. You can click on this quick start, and you will see the commands. Okay. Now let's go on our codes. So first step is this code that is communicating with the database. I mean the Python code. So as you can see here, I have enabled some variables, some keys. Okay, settings. This is the database settings, and after that, this creating an agent here. I mean the LangChain agent. Okay, passing these parameters, so we can increase these parameters, these lengths, so it will take more time. Okay, after that it's returning the response from here. Very simple. Now how it work with the WhatsApp directly? So basically in the WhatsApp developer Facebook account, we have set a callback URL where whenever someone message on this number, then that webhook triggering. So on that webhook we have this callback page. Okay, callback.php. So what will happen is, so whenever request came here, we are getting a response from the message. Okay, here you can ignore this. This is just for checking the errors. Okay, so we getting response here. After that we are decoding that response. Then we have owner name, username, user number, and the user message from that object. Basically the webhook object will look like this. Here you see the phone number, display phone number. Here you will see the message, body message here. Okay, so after that what we are doing, we are sending that message, like our message, to the Python file we have created. Here you will see we are executing shell command python index.py. This is our Python script that will give answer. So here on that page we are passing this message, like, and we are getting that message here in this variable q. Then we are passing this q to here questions, that invoking the function to the LangChain. Okay, very simple. After that we are getting response. We are sending a request to the Facebook developer account, where we can send a message back to the user on WhatsApp. So this is a URL. Okay, so here we are using two user phone number, and in the body we are using our output. So after that, very simple, you need to pass some authorization barrier WhatsApp token, and that's it. So if you have any question, you can watch my previous video as well. You will understand step by step, because in that video I have go through step by step. Thank you. I hope you like this video.